In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a member page with login restrictions in Wix. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have the Wix members area set up on your website. This feature is essential as it allows your site visitors to sign up and log in, offering them a personalized experience. If you haven't added it yet, you'll need to do that first. Open your Wix editor, head over to the Add Apps section or the App Market, and search for Members area. Once you find it, go ahead and add it to your site. This small addition is a crucial step as it will essentially form the backbone of your restricted page by managing and overseeing your members' access. Now, let's move on to creating the page that you want to restrict. In the editor, navigate to Pages and Menu. Here, you can either add a new page or select an existing page that you wish to make exclusive to your members. This is the stage where you plan the content and purpose of this page, ensuring it holds value for your members-only access. Whether it's exclusive content, downloadable resources, or member-specific features, make sure this page is worth the sign-up. Once your page is ready or selected, the next step involves setting up page permissions to protect it. Still, in the Pages and Menu section, hover over the page you want to restrict. You'll see an option for More Actions, usually represented by 3 small dots. Click on those, and then select Settings from the menu that appears. Now that you're in the Page's settings, look for the Permissions tab. This is where the magic happens. Under the section labeled Who Can View This Page, you'll have a few different options. By default, it's typically set so everyone can view your page. To restrict this page to only your site members, you'll need to change this setting. Switch it over from Everyone to Site Members. This change ensures that the page can only be accessed by those who are signed into your site with their member credentials, adding an extra layer of exclusivity and security. And there you have it. You've just created a member-only page in Wix. This setup not only adds a layer of interactivity to your site, but also encourages your visitors to become active members, engaging more deeply with your content. Be sure to communicate this change to your community, maybe through a newsletter or an insight notification, so they know there's exclusive content waiting for them. Remember, organizing your content in this member-centric way can greatly enhance your site's utility and user experience. So take these steps, implement them onto your site, and watch your user engagement grow. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification. Happy building!